bro?
Yeah, him.
Is your brother nice?
We'll start fighting.
Is your brother nice? You fight with your brother?
Yeah.
You do?
Who
What are
wins?
you doing?
Oh, that one's coming, Rich. Richard. Oh my goodness.
No. This is terrible.
He's like, give me the sword. Uh-oh, Rich. You're
Who's got the
outnumbered.
sword?
Oh my gosh. Rich, you can't run away. Oh!
That's not a fighting sword.
That's not?
Nope.
What kind of sword is it?
A dragon sword. It's for dragon dad.
It's for killing dragons?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Do you have any dragons around here?
No.
No?
Me.
You're
I need
Oh my
a sword.
gosh. Okay, so that's what happens when you have boys, right?
Why not? What's wrong with that?
Not dainty. They don't play with teacups.
But Captain America throws it at you. I'm gonna throw it at you.
No, you can't throw that.
You're too gentle on them. I'd be beating them with that sword. Like, do it,
Here, you go
hardcore.
beat him.